Hi, this is Jainnher Machine Company. We are in 2023 Taipei TIMTOS. This is William Lee. I'm the Export Sales Manager. Our booth is L0417. Jainnher Company, we have the more than 40 years experience on the grinding machine. Right now, we produce 7 different grinding machines, including centerless, internal, cylindrical, double spindle, center hole, vertical, and thread grinding. We offer turnkey solution for customer. So basically, we use the current machine, and then depend on the customer request, help customer to design different loading, unloading, and also other solution for customer. This machine is JHP 2003 CNC OD grinding machine, cylindrical grinding machine. The maximum OD can be grind is up to 200 millimeter, and the length is 300 millimeter. This machine with bearing type of the grinding spindle. Normally, the machine with 2 hydraulic oil tank, but this machine, because use the bearing type of the grinding spindle, so with only 1 hydraulic oil tank, it's easier to maintain the machine. And also, this machine with in-process gauging. So if customer make the mass production, it's the system, the in-process system is easy to measuring the part. That means you don't need to check the parts, every part by manual. The in-process gauging will help you to measuring automatic before you check out the workpiece. For this machine, JHI 150 CNC machine, the capacity for this machine is from 6. Internal ID is from 6 to 150. The machine with a CNC controller, also with touch prober. So it's the equivalent is a touch prober. It can be detect the workpiece position before you grinding, and also with the special program, it also can be measuring the OD after grinding. Yeah, it is also another feature for this machine. Also, if customer has the special inquiry, we can help customer to install the BSS on the workhead. So it can be also controlled by the CNC to automatically rotate the workpiece plus minus 15 degrees. Is also another special equipment. Also the spindle, at this moment the spindle, we use the bearing type of the spindle. So if customer has also different speed requirement, can be also installed building motor spindle. So the spindle, the speed spindle can be from 8,000 up to 30,000 RPM. So it depends on customer inquiry. We can help customer to do different turnkey solution. In next 2 days, welcome to visit our booth. I will introduce the machine and help you to find a solution for you. Thank you so much.